All right, so got this package today, well earlier today, from Malaysia. I already opened it, obviously, just because I took a picture of it to show someone. But I got it says Malaysia. There we go, there's that lighting. It says Malaysia, it's a keychain. And then I got the Asian Open Pros. And then I also got the new black Malaysian jersey and the white Malaysian jersey. I'll go ahead and open them. I originally wasn't planning on opening them, but I guess I'll go ahead and open them. I think it took about a week to get here, this package. And I'm not gonna lie, I love the Malaysian jerseys. Like they always look so sleek and so chic that, you know, I've always loved how often they come out with jerseys and stuff too. All right, so there's the black one. Here's the front, the Asian Open. The back, this is Malaysia. I freaking love it. It looks so good. And then same thing with the white, same design, same look. Malaysia on the back again. With like the little zebra stripe looking things. I really don't know what to call them. But yeah. Oh, all right. Kind of random thing, but yeah, the paper. Got the stem. Cup keeper. But yeah, bottom logo. Honestly, low key, kind of high key. I really wish that they had a top logo version of this set too. And I don't want to sound stupid in case they do have a top logo, but yeah. So I am gonna also open up the clears, but I'm gonna do a cycle with the mint greens first. Oh, okay. All right, and I am doing G4 because Hotlanta is 2 months away, and you know, why not? All right, so first cycle with the 2023 Asian Opens, the mint green looking ones. All right, I'm gonna do another cycle, just see if I can get a sub 10. There we go. There's a 798. We'll move on to the clears now. Again, kind of random. There's a piece of paper. This is a pretty color combo, like gold. I love it. I like gold. All right, cup keeper, and gold logo. It says 2023 Asian Open along it. Speed stacks, you know. Y'all know the drill. Let's see, hold on. Yeah, this is my normal clear PS2Xs, so, you know, not that big of a difference. If any difference at all. All right. First cycle with the 2023 Asian Open clears. Let's see. Well, 8027. I'm gonna see if I can get a 7. actually beat my 7.9 with the mints. 7.8. And actually, I'm kind of curious, like how the slide is. Oh. Yes, please. More of that. Honestly, the mints kind of remind me of like a version of like the Arctic Foxes. Oh yeah. Oh, for sure. All right. So next video is going to be fast times with these sets. So stay tuned. Train hard, never give up, constantly have a goal, stack fast. I'll see you guys later. And thank you for watching.